Hello everyone, today we are going to demonstrate how to create a team. When a project involves multiple members who need to edit and view a series of projects collectively, creating a team is a very practical approach. Team management allows us to collaborate and organize tasks more efficiently. Here is how to do it step by step. First, click New Project. On the right side, you'll see the option Create Team. Enter a team name here. It's recommended to keep it clear and concise for easy recognition later. For example, we'll name it EasyEDA Tips. The team link will be generated automatically. Once completed, click Create, and your team will be successfully created. At this point, the team only has me as a member by default. If you want to collaborate with colleagues, you can use the Add Members feature to invite multiple members at once or remove them in a bulk. Finally, go back to the home page and click Refresh. Your newly created team will now appear in the left-hand directory, making it easy to access and manage it.